TCR final DSML project. This is the project which is related to the banking institution, which is in the Portuguese, which is based the marketing company campaign were based on the phone calls. Often more than one contact to the same client was required in order to access if the product would be yes or not to the subscriber. The target variable is categorical. So let's explain the coding. First, I import pandas library, numpy. This both libraries are for mathematical and statistical purpose for in the machine learning, and also matplotlib pyplot. It is an visualization for visualization the attributes or features. Cban also same. Then I imported the CSV file or comma separated value file and I assigned as the name DF, means data file. Then I reprint the top head. Then information. This information which provide us that what the column name and what is the data type of these features. Suppose see the age as a int object in data type, and the job, see the job as object data type. Like that we can identify with the info. Then the shape of the data, it is 45,211 and 17. Then describe, it is all described like mean, median and percentile, all this. Then I require the unique. So on the next step, I include the column which have a unique data column. Then also what are the number of features inside that columns. These are the sample codes to identify the number of objects in these data types. And next, these are the categorical features. So I'm marking this as a categorical features, and I'm plotting that to get the what are the features and what are the attributes are and how it will look to the then next is categorical features. Yes or no. These are all the steps of the pre-processing where we can convert the numerical feature or by the duplicate values. Plotting the figure. This is mainly removing for the outliers and detection of the outliers. How the data set which could out this are the outliers. This is the outlier. This is the outlier. Detection. Then this is called the heat map, and also with the correlation and also it's called the correlation map. How the data with another data which is correlated to the another data, like see age of age is correlated as 1, then age to the balance it is correlation of 0.98%. Like this we need to find the correlation. Then we need to group as deposit, it is yes or no. Now we are converting all the data like category object data to the int data, because in the machine learning we only use the integer data type, we not use the object data. Then you also changing the data. I finally see we get these all the dummy variable, creating a dummy variable. It is the main purpose of the creating a dummy variable is there is no loss of data. We create a new column which the category which have a features in that. If it is not, we created 0. Now creating a model. In the model creating, we mainly use it for the categorical model, which are we use random forest classifier and XGB classifier. These two classifier which are mainly used for in the supervised learning and also in the classified problem. So we create a model and then fit to this model. Then we get a score of 98%. After fitting, we train the model, and then by plotting this, we can now we can see up to 90%, 80% of the data is predicted correctly, and other with this matrix plot lab. And this is what I'm saying. Thank you.